Today we are going to talk about our beautiful plants, cacti and succulents. Cacti is part of the succulents, but not all of the succulents are cacti. Believe it or not, both of them are cacti. This is an Opuntia, and you can see that it's a clump of clump or group of little cacti. By the way, cacti comes from Latin, it means plural, lots of cactus. Because we are now in the spring, they are flowering. And the flowers of these beautiful Opuntias, as you can tell here, the yellow thing, they look like this. And you can see all of these big spines. This plant is a native from the North America desert, okay? And in fact, they call it the desert cacti. And you can see how beautiful flowers they have. What I did is remove from another plant one of the leaves, and I will now plant it in another pot with mixed soil. The good things of the cacti are very strong, and they are very resilient because they are full of water inside of the leaf and in the clumps of the little cactuses. You just put it in soil, and believe it or not, you will get the roots. You see, all of these little things are going to be flowers, okay? And they are very easy to look after. Basically, the only thing you do is when it dries out, you water the plant and trying to make sure that they don't have never cold feet. They don't like to be in water. So basically, and when it's dry, you just put your finger, and it's always my way to measure plants. You touch it. If it's too dry, you just push it, and if it's too dry, you just water it. And about fertilizing, you fertilize every 1 or 2 months, I don't fertilize them very much. I do, but not all the time. And now they have the flowers, I will leave them in peace. I obviously fertilize them before flowering. These ones, I have them outside, but you can have them inside. It's much easier for them to flower outside because they get the sun. Inside is more difficult, but you can keep it inside. It's up to you. Beautiful Opuntia, and then after I will just repot this. I planted this in another pot.